worry about you, I'ma be me, I'ma go hard, I ain't getting no sleep. You gotta love me, I don't put it on God, I put it on me, I put it on me, pretty little gangster.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ojisayo. If you're new, you're welcome. Thank you for staying. And from today's title, I'm starting a YouTube series. So this is the first video of my YouTube series. So the video is about how to be a YouTuber, how to use your phone, how to use any device that you have, how to start with the minimal things. So I'm going to have a series on that, and this is the first video on that. I'm so excited. Please bear with me, it is raining outside. I will try to be audible. Yeah, I will try to shout. Okay, so from today's title is about how I feel with my iPhone 6 Plus 16 gig space. Like, please don't make that same mistake, guys. Don't make that same mistake. I didn't know I was going to film with my phone. It was the time I got to find out that, oh, you can actually film with your phone and everything. So I started filming with my phone. So I'm saving up to buy another phone, by the way. So if you also have the same like iPhone, small memory, you don't have space, everything I did in this video I'm going to be showing you, you can apply it if you want. But if you feel like you have enough space, you can use your phone. You can use either iPhone. Actually, iPhone is the best if you're just starting with YouTube, but you can also use Android. Android is okay. Lots of new Android phone. I went to slots like last week because I want to get an Android phone for my YouTube, and they are so nice. The latest one are actually okay. So you can also feel from Android, you can also feel from iPhone, but I feel like iPhone is still the best company anyway. So without further ado, let's get into how I feel using my iPhone 6 Plus. Okay, so guys, let's get started on how I save space on my 16 gig memory. Number one, let me tell you something. The 16 gig memory on any phone, on any iPhone or any phone in general, does not belong to you. It belongs to the phone. So if you have a 16 gig phone, just know that gig is not for you. It's for the phone. You're just sharing the phone space with. You're just sharing it. So now, as you can see, that is all the things that are taking space on my phone, the photos, the YouTube and everything. So that's what I'm showing you guys. So why you need to save space is because the camera. Now we're going to go to the camera now, and for those using iPhone, now the camera has 3 video options. As you can see here, we have the 60 MB for 720 HD, and then we have the 130, and now each one of these is a minute video. So a minute of all my video is 130 MB, guys. 1 minute video. So imagine that amount of space on the phone, and I'm just using the default. I'm not using the smoother, and I cannot use the space saver. So yeah, so that's why you have to save space. So how do I save space? So this is what I do, the little trick I do. I'm going to show you very soon. So now I'm going to my picture, because pictures, that is where all the loads are, because I already deleted all the apps I'm not using. I think it's only WhatsApp I have on my phone. So screenshots are everyday screenshots and everything. Then selfies take a lot of space. Any picture that you take using your phone takes more space than the one you screenshot, just so you know. So now these were the album I made before I did what I did. So I'm going to show you very soon. So I had a lot of album, but because I'm starting YouTube, I had to move them somewhere. So where did I move them to? What I did was I went to Google. Everybody has, if you want to open a YouTube account, you must have a Google account. So yeah, so my Google account, I'm going there right now, as you can see. So this is my Google home page. Yeah, that's my Google home page. So those tiny dots near my photo right there, yeah, I've clicked on it, and then down you can see photos. That is where we're going to go to now.
So now we are inside the photo, so I'm going to show you why that this is all my videos, everything. Now for each account you have for Google, you have a 15 gig space, and you can even buy more. As you can see, that is it, free 15 gig. You have 100 you can buy, you have so many, but my free 15 gig is what I'm using now, and I've just used 0.7 gig of the 15 gig. That's 4%. So all those pictures that were not on my phone that look as if I've deleted them, this is where they are. So this is how I do it. I press that, I will go go to photo library, and then all these pictures are in albums, as you can see. So the same way that I album there, that's the same I'm going to save them on the Google space. So now I'm taking my selfies, I'm taking all of them, and then I'm going to upload them to the Google Drive. So now it's uploading, and this thing can take time. So if you want to upload, take as like 100 pictures at a time. Don't take it too much. Now everything has uploaded. Now I'm going to add to the album. I have a lot of albums. So this is selfie, so I'm going to put it under selfie too, so that when I finally have phone that has space, I can restore back everything in the correct album. So I'm going to write selfie now. So yeah, that is it, saved. And so what I do now is I go to the phone. So those are the pictures I just saved there on the Google Drive. So then I go to the phone, I go to my pictures, I go to the pictures, the selfies I just taken now. I highlight all of them, and then I delete. Then I go to my recently delete, highlight all of them, and delete all. Yeah, I'm deleting every item. So now we have space on the phone. So you can do that. You can save both your videos and your photos on the Google Drive. So as you can see here, so what I'm trying to say is that when I'm doing my video, I don't do them at once. I do them in bits. So I do 2-minute video. That's the longest video I do. I don't do more than 2 minutes, because when it's time for edit, to take time. So, and also to save space, do them bit by bit like this. Don't do them at once, because it won't even save on the phone because there's no space. And this is Safari, where I save the links of the apps I've deleted, so I can access them. So that's it.
Now, the first thing you need when you want to start YouTube, the very first thing you need is light, and with natural light is the best thing, because that is God-given light. It is the gift from above. So as you can see, the only form of light that is here is my window. So in your room or anywhere you feel like you are convenient to start to shoot your YouTube video, always make sure you're in front of the window. The natural light is so nice and it's so effective, but with time, maybe after, maybe like when YouTube is paying you, or maybe you want to invest in your YouTube channel, you can get a ring light. But even when you get a ring light, you can still use it with the window. Okay, so, and also, since you are filming from your phone, my phone is on top of a pile of books right now. But you can also use a tripod. You can use the selfie stick. I wanted to get a selfie stick sometime, but I think I like this setting. Is okay for now. So you can either use that, or anyone. So you just place your books just the same way you place your, maybe you want to take a hand-free video just in front of you, and then you are filming and you're good to go. So when you're filming your YouTube video, please do not film like this. No, YouTube standard is this. Okay, and then you get even more things to show in the video. And also, when you film like this, that is the standard for YouTube video. Any video you do, it fits right into the rectangular YouTube box. Okay, so yeah, apart from that, you can either film anyhow you want. You can film from your front camera, you can film from your back camera, anyhow you want to do it. If you want to be looking at yourself in case you make any mistake, in case you zoom in case you want to zoom out, anything you want to do, and also keeping track of time, like I said. So you'll be counting the time. Oh, it's 1 minute, let me stop and then start a new phrase. So what I do is I stop and then I start again when it's after like 2 minutes. 2 minutes is the longest video I can do on this phone because of, you know, I'm trying to save space. So yeah, guys, that's the end of this tutorial. Hope you guys learned something. If you do, please give the thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And also, yeah, share the video. And I think that is all. And then when you're done filming, then you go to your editor. There are a lot of editors on Apple Store, on Google Play Store, so you can, you know, edit your video and then you upload it. As simple as that. It's as simple as ABC. So this is the first part of my YouTube series. Like I said, next video will be how to, you know, edit, how to put fun stuff in your music video, how to do thumbnails, how to start pictures, everything you need. But now is how to start. So from this video you can start your intro video, you can start filming away, and it doesn't matter the quality of your video. Like I said, use your phone, no matter the phone you are using, so long as it's clear. You can see my face, like I'm seeing your face. I can't see your face, but like the camera is showing your face, it's showing what you're wearing, it's showing the colors. Just film away. It doesn't matter the quality. Quality is fine, is something you grow with. The first quality may not be good, but once you are putting out good content and you are consistent, and you spread your video all over social media, let them know that, oh, you have started YouTube channel and everything, and people are watching, and maybe used to start paying you, or you also work part-time and you save some money and invest on your YouTube channel, you get a good phone that can help you do, you know, better videos. So don't say because your camera is not good you won't start with whatever you have. Start with it. So that is the end of this video. I've been talking too much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.